Girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect. It's that time of the month again. The April planner and journal subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, before I show you and unbox the new April sub box, I always love to share a little bit about what is in it. If you're new to me, welcome. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and I've created planners and journals for women to be able to write a better story for their lives. Be sure to check out how you can get started down below, or I'll have a card up here where you can get started using the Planner Perfect planners, journals, and method right away. So anyway, you guys, when I wanted to set out to do the box, I wanted to make sure that it was definitely had some fun Easter elements. When I think of Easter, it's definitely, when I think of April, I think of Easter. And so I wanted it to be gorgeous, beautiful, of course, and bunnies were a big always hop out at me, and I did use a lot of watercolor and used some acrylic as well. Without further ado, let's get to it and look at what's inside the box. Hello girls, we are back. Let's go ahead and open up the planner and journal subscription box by Designs by Planner Perfect. You always get this cute card, says that it's here. Plan, journal, create, right? Okay. I think I'm going to do it a little bit differently this time. I'm going to go right out of the gate. I did take out, the tip-ins do come in a nice shrink wrapped, so they're nice and safe, but I'm going to dive right into these and the other elements. But he is new. Do you see him? I'm in love. I'm personally in love. I want to squeeze him and call him George. I'm absolutely in love. Happy Easter. I'm in love. So this is one set. Hello Spring. I did a decorative egg. Used a whitewashed background on this one, which I really like. I didn't want to hold back. I wanted, of course, my bunnies from previous years to come back. So we brought back this guy here, absolutely in love, holding an egg. Love him. April showers. I just love this girl that represents spring so well. You know, you don't have an opportunity all the time to get all the elements of different months that I've painted every month. So it's good with tip-ins to be able to kind of get that love. Tip-ins are a great thing to be able to tip in your planner, where you are basically tipping it in. And you can use washi to secure him. I use this for addendums. I use it for baking days. I put it back here as a verse that I'm quoting for the whole week. Or a change of plans, inspiration, affirmations. I also use these as gift tags. One time I made my oldest daughter, or my middle daughter, some lunch. What am I saying? It's my youngest daughter, Bella. I made her some lunch, brought it, and I brought in it was for during Valentine's Day, and I brought it to work, and on the back, I gave this to her in her lunch. It was a February one, and had just a little love note to her. Just one of those things that tip-ins, these are just actual beautiful little works of art that you can do so many different things with them, but I call them tip-ins because you usually will tip these into your planner. And then, of course, this guy, look at him. Is he not a doll? So we have that, and brought him back, and then my watercolor roses, which I made sure, and I really wanted my theme of, there's more of a blue, beautiful blue theme, and I really wanted that to be prominent to kind of tie everything together. The washi, I just feel that I nailed it. Look at this. When it comes to my solid tapes, I am not pre-buying anything. This is something where I create the color off of my artwork and have it made. So I'm not just like, buying fixed blues. I'm actually going off of what I paint. So this was kind of a combination of both my bunny's blue tie and also, which is him here. I don't want to have to necessarily undo that tape, but he is adorable. So it's off of his tie and off of some of my washi that created. So I didn't want any clashing or anything like that. I made sure that, my blue is on point. So there's that beautiful washi that all ties in with the tip-ins. The stickers, you guys. Got extras here. I loved a lot of last year's spring stuff, so I made sure to bring it back. I've got, of course, this one is a very beloved bird, and I don't think she's been a sticker yet, so I want you to welcome her to the sticker family. I wanted to because she's gorgeous, and she really represents spring, so I wanted her as a sticker this year. Of course, there's this year's bunny. I've got the new eggs. I've pulled back the bike, and spring is here with some flowers. I've got my chicks. If that doesn't represent, I don't know what does. I've got my bunnies, my tulips from previous years. Of course, he's got to come in here, right? My bluebird. And then I have, I made this for you all, designed it. I hope you guys love it. I know I do. We've got an umbrella, some galoshes. Brought him back. I'm in love with this goose, and here he is to represent as well. I absolutely adore him to pieces. It's very hard for me to decide what goes in the tip-ins and all of that because I really wish I could. I just want like 1 million books for spring. Like I want like all journals for spring that like all of them are lined up. But they're just too cute. And of course I love this chick. She's this little bunny girl, so cute. And then little flowers. These I thought represented really well some spring and of course the eggs as well. So you'd get 2 of each of these. And so I'm loved the layout of that. So let's go ahead and dive in right into the books. You've already kind of know what they are, but you just don't get the full effect until you see it just firsthand. So here he is on the book cover. He's so cute, and he's representing April for us this month. I chose this as my back. I just absolutely loved it. The blue was on point for it, and it just was screaming spring to me. So that was my back. I just absolutely love it. And then here's our journals, girls. Hello, spring. Feel free to use this as your war binder or for anything you're wanting to do in your journal. You can do, a lot of women use it for, their health. And so they're tracking their meals and how they're feeling, and I just absolutely love that too. Or however you want to utilize this, it's there for you to do. So it's Hello Spring, it's documentation, it's there for you to be able to look back on, remember that, even if you're just, not the word just is the wrong word, even if it's a journaling kind of, you're using it just as a journal. What a beautiful way to journal daily and document life, right? And using even the Canon Ivy printer. This is just taking, scrapbooking to a whole new level. I think that's kind of gone out. The trend is just those beautiful Canon Ivies. And I love everything about the Canon Ivy because you can add, beautiful little pictures, even in your war room, if you're using it as, I love it as a war binder because you're really documenting God moving and answered prayer, because that's the idea. You want to be able to see God move, and this is where you're documenting that. And I absolutely love that, and it's been really fruitful for me. And if you missed any of that, I will give you links to different videos and lives where I actually put together a war binder or have used my journal for other reasons. So I will give you some videos that you can watch to do that and watch those. So girls, there she be, our April and planner and journal sub box. And I hope you guys are I know some of you haven't even been getting them. I hope that you love this reveal. And also too, just note that if you didn't make it to this box, you are too late. You're going to have, when you do sign up, believe me, they're all as cute as each one is. I mean, you won't be any more excited for next month as you were for this month. So don't let that stop you if you're too late for this box. But also note that as starting up for next month, I will be doing reveals sooner than the 10th, because the 10th is our cutoff. That way, anybody who does want to jump in will be able to. So we're pushing things up, making things ready and available for women to be able to get in on it after they've gotten the reveal. They can go ahead and jump in and grab it. So girls, thanks for watching. Hope you love the reveal. And I can't wait for you girls to hop into spring. Bye, girls.